To fully understand what enhanced vector conversion is, we will need to open a vector graphic. Click on File and Open. Browse to Local Disk C and choose the Designs directory. Then, select the Graphics folder. This is the folder that Melco stores the graphics that come with your software. Choose All Graphics File Type. Select the Vector Options button. The Vector Import-Export Options dialog box displays. The Convert to Vector Objects option will convert the graphic to the objects when the graphic is opened. The default for this option is on. The Auto Sequence can be used to optimize how a design is shown. The default is off. Turn it on and click on the Options button. The default check mark next to Minimize Jumps means the order of the objects will be changed if necessary to maximize the jumps between them. The default check mark next to Auto Entry and Exit means the location of the entry where the object starts sewing and the exit where the object ends sewing of each element may be moved to minimize jumps. If you check Minimize Color Changes, the number of color changes may change to optimize how the design sews. Click on the OK button. The curve input is defaulted to Bezier. Bezier is a type of curve used by most vector programs, for example CorelDRAW and Adobe Illustrator. Since we will be opening a vector graphic, we will leave this on Bezier. Click on the OK button. Select the design hamburger.eps. This is a vector graphic. Then click on Open. The vector graphic is displayed in the View window. Now let's convert this graphic to embroidery stitches. Click on the Convert Vector Objects to From Embroidery tool. The Stitch Vector Objects dialog box is displayed. Notice the stitch type is set to automatic by default. This means stitches will automatically be generated for the entire graphic based on each vector object type. In the Stitching Parameters area, you have the option to only stitch what is visible on the vector graphic. When the graphic is stitched, only the visible portions of the vector object will be stitched. The covered portions will not. This can help eliminate a buildup of unneeded stitches. Turn this on. Click on the Convert button. All the vector objects are automatically converted to embroidery data. Click on the Show Stitches in 3D to get a visual representation of the look.